This is the elevator at 4 Main Street in Lodi, New Jersey. This is some kind of unknown brand. I'm not sure what this is. It's got that nice Epco Classic button. Oh wow, they redid the interior of this thing. Let's go up to 2 and let's listen. Smells like hydraulic fluid. Oh, this is a national elevator. Okay. This is a national with Epco. They did a very nice job on the floor. Obviously the fan is on. Very nice job on the floor, I must say. I didn't know that this was a national. Ooh, obnoxious bell. Just the 2 buttons, like. It's a 2,500 pound capacity, and here we go. Down to 1. So yes, this is a 2,500 pound capacity, and it's a national elevator. I kind of like this retro feel, and it feels nice and cool in here too. I like the old wood paneling. I like that. That's very nice. Unfortunately, the Wells Fargo building was closed for the night. The building closed at 6, sadly. So much. I really like the architecture of this building. There's the bumper. Over here. There it goes. And that's it.